What's up, you guys? Somebody please tell me what doesn't taste better dipped in chocolate, because strawberries definitely do. I'm excited to show you this bite-sized fancy dessert that only requires 2 ingredients and just 20 minutes of your time. I'm Lauren from TasteBetterFromScratch.com. Let's dip into it. All right, let's talk about the strawberries, one of the most important ingredients. I try and buy firm, just ripe, red strawberries. You really want them to go red all the way to the tip so they look really beautiful. Make sure they're not soft or going bad. And our first step is going to be to wash the strawberries off. So I always like to pull my strawberries out of the fridge about 15 to 20 minutes so that they can come to room temperature. Room temperature strawberries will hold on to that chocolate a lot better than if they're cold. So give them a quick rinse, put them out to dry. And once we've washed them, just grab a paper towel and dry them off really, really well. We want the strawberries completely dry because chocolate and water do not mix. So make sure to dry off each strawberry really well. We want them nice and dry so that when we dip them, the chocolate sticks on there really good. This next part is to melt for. Grab your chocolate and let's head over to the stove. Okay guys, we have to talk about the chocolate because high quality chocolate is essential for chocolate covered strawberries. I love Ghirardelli chocolate chips. Other brands' chocolate chips will not melt as easily, so Guittard or Ghirardelli are great options. And we are using bittersweet, but semi-sweet and milk chocolate will also work. So you can go ahead and melt the chocolate chips in a bowl in the microwave if you want at half power, stirring every 30 seconds. What I like to do is make my own simple double boiler to melt chocolate. I add about 1 inch of water to the bottom of my saucepan. I put a small bowl on top, bring the water to a simmer, just a really bare simmer, and add the chocolate, and we're just gonna stir it until it melts smoothly. So one trick to making perfect chocolate covered strawberries is to temper the chocolate, which is a fancy word for something we're gonna do at the end. But for now, reserve just a small handful of chocolate chips and set them aside before we get started. Now you can go ahead and pour the rest of the bag into your bowl. If you're using this double boiler method, you're gonna wanna stir it constantly until the chocolate melts. The microwave definitely works. I've found that it's a little easier to scorch or burn the chocolate in the microwave than it is with this method. If you guys have any leftover chocolate when you're finished dipping strawberries, I have so many great recipes that require dipping in chocolate. We've got chocolate covered marshmallows, pretzel rods, and lots of truffle recipes. So don't let any of this good stuff go to waste. The last really important step to make perfect chocolate covered strawberries is to temper the chocolate. So that little amount of reserved chocolate, we're gonna add that in now and stir it and let it melt while this is off the heat. By tempering the chocolate, you'll make sure that it's beautiful and dark, rich in color and not gray or streaky. So once we've tempered the chocolate, we're ready to dip these strawberries. Okay, grab a sheet pan with a piece of parchment paper on. This is where we're gonna put our strawberries so that they don't stick. Choose a strawberry. It's nice if you pick strawberries that have lots of leaves to make it easier for dipping. Go ahead and dip, 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 you guys. I like to dip it and swirl it a little bit to kind of coat all around. Pull it up, give it a few little taps. You could even use a spoon to kind of remove some of that excess chocolate. Lay it on the parchment paper. There you have it, you guys. Those were so fun and easy to make. You can elevate them further with a drizzle of white chocolate or dip them in crushed nuts or coconut. This is such a simple and elegant dessert to make. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.